Have you noticed something strange? Just a few years ago, most people were talking about mobile apps, cloud computing, web development, and digital transformation. Today, almost every conversation somehow reaches artificial intelligence. Whether you open YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, or any technology news platform, one word is everywhere: AI. Some people are excited, some people are confused, and many people are worried. Will AI take jobs? Will AI replace developers? Will AI replace writers? Will AI replace analysts? Will AI replace entire industries? And the truth is, artificial intelligence is not just another technology trend. It is becoming a fundamental shift in the way humans work, learn, create, communicate, and solve problems. Hello everyone, you have started watching Code with Abby. Today we are standing at one of the biggest technological transformation in human history. According to multiple industries report, the generative AI market is expected to grow from tens of billions of dollars today to hundreds of billions of dollars within the next few years. Some projections even estimate that the market could cross $1 trillion in coming decade. Think about that for a moment. A technology that was almost unknown to the general public a few years ago is now becoming one of the fastest growing industry on the planet. But the bigger story is not just the market size. The bigger story is how AI is changing careers. The World Economic Forum estimates that technological transformation, including artificial intelligence, could create around 170 million new jobs globally by 2030, while many existing roles will also undergo significant changes. This means something important. The future is not simply about jobs disappearing. The future is about jobs transforming. And whenever a major technological shift appears, new opportunities emerge. Just think about some of the job roles that barely existed a few years ago. AI engineer, prompt engineer, AI solution architect, LLM engineers, generative AI consultant, AI product manager, AI agent developer, RAG engineer, AI automation specialist, AI safety researcher, machine learning operations engineer, also known as MLOps engineer. These are roles that are becoming increasingly important because organizations are now rapidly adopting AI technologies. At the same time, companies across industries are trying to understand how to integrate AI into their business processes. The challenge is that most people do not know where to start. Every day, new terms appear: ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, prompt engineering, AI agents, RAG, vector databases, embeddings, LangChain, Agentic AI, and for many people it feels overwhelming. They watch random videos, they follow random tutorials, they learn random tools, but after months of efforts, they still do not understand how all these concepts connect together. That's exactly why I created this playlist. This playlist is not designed to teach isolate AI topics. It is designed to help you build an AI mindset, a structured understanding, a roadmap, a journey. We begin by discussing the impact of AI on careers and software development. Then we learn how to communicate effectively with AI through prompt engineering. Next, we understand platforms like ChatGPT and Gemini. Then we move deeper into how large language models actually work. After that, we explore one of the most exciting developments in AI world, that is AI agents. Not just theory, real AI agents, no-code AI agents, Python-based AI agents, automation workflows, practical implementations, and then we move further into advanced concepts like RAG, vector databases, and the technologies that power modern enterprises' AI applications. In simple words, this playlist is designed to help you move from being an AI user to become an AI builder and eventually an AI engineer. Whether you are a student, a working professional, a tester, a business analyst, project manager, developer, or someone who simply wants to understand the future, this playlist is for you. Because the question is no longer whether AI will impact your profession, the question is whether you will understand AI well enough to grow along with it. The people who learn how to work with AI will have a significant advantage in the coming years. And that journey starts with understanding one concept at a time, one video at a time. Welcome to the Artificial Intelligence playlist. Let's begin the journey together, and that is absolutely free.